Hello and good day to you. Today's animated video of our greeting card fold series is the Z fold elongated back greeting card in portrait with pop-out effects. Materials needed: scoreboard, scoring tool, glue, cutting mat, craft knife, printed insert with scenery, scissors or paper trimmer, cardstock in A4 250 grams to 300 grams, gold color or any color of choice. Instructions. Step 1. Place the gold cardstock in a landscape orientation on the scoreboard. Step 2. Trim about 0.5 centimeter from all border of the printed scenery. Step 3. Put glue at the back of the printed scenery and then glue to the base cardstock. Note the borders. Step 4. Using the scoring tool, score the card in half. That is 5.7 by 8 inches or 14.68 centimeters. Foundation spine created or half fold made. Fold the score line, front flap towards the right and burnish. Step 5. Using the scoring tool, score on the front flap of the card in half. That is 2.7 by 8 inches or 7.43 centimeters to create the first flap. Note, if you want your tree to pop out like the sample card, do not score the first flap from top to bottom. Instead, score the first flap to the beginning of the motif and then score after the motif, but all on the same groove or line. Step 6. Place the card on a cutting mat. With the craft knife, cut around the motif edge that is intended for popping out. Note the pop-out area. Thank you for joining us today for this animated Z-fold elongated back greeting card in portrait with pop-out effects. Until next time, bye for now. Remember, you are the designer. Thank you.